Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So I think we get a little bit of a break with this morning's commute. Yesterday we did have some rain showers around during the morning hours, and some of them were fairly heavy in places, mostly in inland locations. But this morning things are different. We have about a only 30% chance of showers during the morning, and I'd put that morning right straight. Well, I kind of identified 9 a.m., but I think I could go from now till probably noon with a 30% chance of rainfall. In fact, even at noon, we'll call it 30%. 85 by noon as we get a little bit more sunshine during the first half of the day. And then as we head into the afternoon, that sunshine will start to heat things up and to stabilize the atmosphere, and sea breezes will start to form, and all those things interacting together will give us a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. And some of those could be heavy. I think they'll be fairly widespread as well. Heading into the evening hours, about 40% by drive time home this evening. I think you'll be dodging possibly some thunderstorms, and there could be some ponding of water on roadways during the afternoon and evening commutes. So radar right now looking pretty good. We've got some showers exiting areas around Wauchula. We have some showers about 10 miles offshore. Light stuff, no thunder being reported at any of these. We have that area of low pressure continuing to spin around, drawing up this southerly air in this plume of moisture, and it's creating some showers over on the other coast. We've got some showers to the north of us moving into Tallahassee and Jacksonville, some of it pretty heavy. But for us, we get that little bit of a break. You can see that we have breaks in the clouds as well, and here's why. If you identify the center of circulation here that we're looking at on our water vapor imagery, which kind of shows you where the swirls and motions are in the atmosphere, where the dry air is and is not, this tan color is dry air. You can see that the circulation is kind of pulling down some dry air from the north and really wrapping it all the way around that circulation. So we get a little more dry air to start off the morning, and that's going to help bring us a little bit more sunshine and less rainfall during the first half of the day. Of course, with the sunshine comes the possibility of destabilizing the atmosphere as it gets warmer, causing it to heat, lift, cool, condense, produce the thunderstorms. That's what we'll have this afternoon. 72 our air temperature now, 71 the dew point. That's warm. East wind coming in at about 8 with a mix of clouds and fair weather skies. A few areas with some patchy drizzle. The low pressure area lifts to the north with time, and as it lifts to the north, a frontal boundary sinking southward kind of picks it up, pulls it apart, and stretches its moisture across the deep south. That's what will eventually happen probably by Thursday into Friday. And then we'll watch the moisture continue to lift out of the south, but less of an effect from that low pressure area as we head into the weekend. We'll still have thunderstorms around over the weekend, however. So best rain chance for the next couple of days is going to be in the afternoon. We'll watch the rain chances each and every day this week, however, but as they end up toward the end of the week, Saturday, Sunday, they'll probably be slightly different in character, less dependent on that low. And then thunderstorms are possible each and every day. We'll watch the Futurecast show these showers kind of coming at us. They'll be, generally speaking, coming from south to north across the viewing area. At times, some of the thunderstorm activity could be heavy, and some of it could lay down some pretty good rainfall. But for the most part, I think the heaviest of the rain days was probably yesterday. That said, under some of these thunderstorms, you're going to get some fairly heavy rain. East wind, south wind coming in at about 15, decreasing a little bit during the overnight. We'll look for today, a daytime high that tops out warmer than yesterday, coming in about 86. 50% chance of those late afternoon showers and thunderstorms moving into the evening hours. Tomorrow, about a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. I think 50% is a pretty reasonable value each and every day. As we head into the weekend, I think that'll be more kind of characterized by those afternoon showers and thunderstorms that build inland and maybe drift back toward the coast, these sea breeze thunderstorms, and that'll carry us into next week.